Hey everyone, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out 5.0 Resto's factory style intake tube designed for 1989 to 1993 Fox Body Mustangs. So whether you're freshening up an already well-kept car or you're in the process of a mild or full-on restoration and you're wanting all the new parts you can get your hands on, well then, I would definitely take a look at this factory style intake tube from 5.0 Resto. This tube is positioned between the throttle body and the mass airflow meter and serves as an important part in the intake system. Like many other 5.0 Resto parts, this intake tube was researched and developed with an OE fit and finish in mind. Notable features include its black rubber construction that is molded to match the dimensions of the original intake tube, factory style black worm drive clamps, the rib center section for additional flexibility, and it even has the clearance section in the ribbing to clear the strut tower. 5.0 Resto's intake tube is designed to fit 1989 to 1993 Fox Mustangs, but it will also work for 1986 to 1988 cars that have been converted to mass air. In the box is going to be one 5.0 Resto intake tube as well as two pre-installed black worm drive clamps. All right, so installation obviously couldn't be any easier, but before you go to install your new intake tube, go ahead and back off on the worm drive clamps just a little bit. And because of the nature of fresh rubber, you may have to lightly lubricate the insides of the tube where it's going to make contact with the throttle body and the mass air meter with some dielectric grease. So if you're in the market for more viable restoration solutions, shop our website and always consider premium 5.0 Resto parts for your Fox Body Resto project. As always, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more Fox Body content and turn on those notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Feel free to check out our other videos, and until next time, you guys know what to do by now. Keep it right here with the real Fox Body enthusiasts, LMR.com.